Hey guys, here I am with another Scrap Your Stash Saturday. Anyway, I am scrapbooking my son, mowing the lawn, and I've got a long title, so that is one thing I will cut you guys out so you don't have to watch. But I did bring in the Citrus Twist paper with the houses on it because I thought it was cute. And I do have two cards here. One with a sun. And by the time, because I'm going to cut this down, I should be able to save that other side. I have no idea what I'm doing. That's hilarious. Oh man, will that fit? I don't know. I kind of like that. Okay, and then, yeah. I got this one that says getting things done. Hey, come back here. That I want to put him. I don't know. Maybe I will switch that around actually. Now I'll have to mat that though so you can see it. Let's see, do we have anything in here? I do like that blue. And I have two of them, so I don't think I'll ever use Summer Nights. Probably should have trimmed that picture down to where it was even. I kind of like that layering effect. I always like layer and then I'm like, oh crap, I don't even know if it's going to fit on the other side. If it's going to fit on the paper, you know. Let's go ahead and put these down. And I just tore this in half. Obviously you can see that. But I did it to make sure that it would fit before the video began. I think I want to use some washi tape on this, so I'm going to leave a little bit of a border over here. Okay. Probably should have my washi tape ready, huh? Actually, let's see if we can't get some of this one used up. Don't have very much left on that. Should I do it on both sides? I don't think I like that on both sides. Okay, now, pardon me, my nose is a little bit runny because we went to the pet store today, me and my daughter, and we're looking at the animals, and I'm allergic to just about all of them, so that sucked, but she wanted to see them, so there I went. Okay. Looks like you gotta go on this side because I don't like when the white comes off onto the side there. But it will come off here. And still have that washi tape behind it. Oh, so sorry, my nose. Now, where are we going to put you at, little buddy? Probably should have trimmed him down semi-straight. Ow! Oh, that's cute. You're gonna give me a hard time now, aren't you? Okay, I'm gonna pause you guys so I can put the title on. I'll be right back. Okay, so we've waited 13 years for this day. I thought that was funny, obviously. Anyway, I did pop out these little starbursts that came in one of the kits, and I finally get to use this. Like, did I say that out loud? Oops. Anyway, I think that fits. And shout out to Scrappy Nerd UK for alpha in it up, because she has really been killing it, let me tell you. With all of her using the alphas, and these are all from the Citrus Twist kits that I've gotten. So let's see. I feel like there needs to be a tag behind that. Too big. Oh, this green one works really well. I kind of want it over here because obviously the saying is over here. I just don't know. Kind of like it there. And then I got this little epoxy one that says me. Kind of like, yeah, I said it. And I'm not gonna lie, I kind of meant it. Well, I don't do the lawn. I feel, in my personal opinion, that is the man's job. I am very traditional when it comes to stuff like that. That's just me. You know, like taking out the trash, that's not something I should have to do. Laundry, I'm on it. Vacuuming, I got that. Dusting, I'm your girl. I'm not saying I want to do it, but I just feel like it's my job to make sure those are done. And it's almost funny because, like, when I leave during the day, I'm like, man, it's about time to get that lawn mowed. And I come back home, you know, after work, and they'll be out there mushing away. So I'm like, okay. Side note, I would love for you guys to tell me, if you could, where to get. I know I can order them online, like from maymaymadeit.com, but is there anywhere local that you can get one of these things that go in the cap for it to not stop up, that is not going to rust on me? Because mine are rusting, obviously. I keep changing it. And I don't like that. I'm just going to sprinkle these all around because they're really blending in. So I like I don't want to have them one left over. I hate that. I would much rather just get them used. and out of my stash. Boom! Scrap Stash Saturday. Okay. Get in there. Anyway, I did bring out my... I probably have way too many words on here already, so I'm not going to do any word stuff. And I really thought the yellow went well, so what I was thinking is I could pop these in the middle of these. Not all of them, I don't think I'll. And then I'll pop a big one of those out there. Okay. Okay. I did have to Frankenstein some of the letters, which you probably have already guessed. The T looks a little wonky, and the Y and the E. But, I mean, for the most part, people aren't going to notice that, is how I feel about it. So, this page has gotten very busy on me. I think because the background's so busy. But I am done. I hope you guys have a great Saturday. And always remember to get your scrappy time in, alrighty? See you guys next time.